Welcome to this presentation on Bokeh, introducing Bag of Keywords Loss for Interpretable Dialogue Response Generation. This research was conducted by Suvodit Day et al. And published in recently. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we are diving into a critical challenge in open domain dialogue systems, the limitations of standard language modeling, or LM loss. 3. While LM loss is effective for general natural language generation, it often falls short in capturing the nuanced, conversational qualities essential for engaging dialogue. Research consistently shows that perplexity, a measure tied to LM loss, correlates weakly with human judgments of dialogue quality. This means models can be fluent but lack meaningfulness or interpretability. Our research introduces the bag of keywords, or bouquet, loss, a novel auxiliary loss function designed to directly address these shortcomings. By focusing on predicting only the critical keywords of a response, bouquet loss aims to enhance the generation of meaningful and interpretable dialogue, improving upon the limitations of its predecessor, bag of words loss. Our methodology is structured around three key pillars, designed for seamless integration into existing large language models. First, we define the bag of keywords loss as a cross-entropy loss focused exclusively on predicting the critical keywords of the next utterance. This is a significant departure from bag of words loss, which predicts all tokens, often including start box and less critical words, leading to training data bias. Second, to identify these critical keywords, we employ YAKE, an unsupervised, feature-based keyword extraction algorithm. YAK factorial efficiently extracts keywords directly from the text, ensuring that our models focus on the core ideas of a response. Finally, we integrate this bouquet loss into both encoder-decoder architectures, specifically T5, and decoder-only architectures like DialogGPT. The training objective becomes a weighted sum of the traditional LM loss and our novel bouquet loss, which we term bouquet LM loss. This combined objective guides the model to learn a context vector that effectively captures the central thought of the response, leading to more meaningful and interpretable generations. Our experiments on daily dialogue and persona chat datasets yielded compelling results, demonstrating the tangible benefits of bouquet loss. As illustrated in this bar chart, we observed consistent improvements across both referenced and reference-free evaluation metrics. For instance, on the daily dialogue dataset, DialogGPT bouquet significantly outperformed its BoW counterpart, DialogGPT BoW, achieving a USLSH score of 0.7064 compared to 0.6759, representing a 4.5% increase in combined understandability, sensibility, and specificity. This improvement was particularly driven by enhanced specificity. In human evaluations, bouquet models consistently showed higher win rates for informativeness and overall quality compared to BoW models. IRBP, for example, DialogGPT bouquet won 44% of cases for informativeness against DialogGPT BoW's 26% on daily dialogue. This indicates that by focusing on keywords, our models generate responses that are not only more specific but also more aligned with human judgment of quality. Furthermore, bouquet LM loss showed comparable performance to state-of-the-art metrics when used as a reference-free evaluation metric, highlighting its potential beyond just training. These results align directly with the industry's growing demand for more interpretable and controllable AI systems. Our bouquet loss directly addresses the long-standing challenge of LM loss's weak correlation with human dialogue quality, pushing beyond mere fluency to deliver responses that are truly meaningful. This approach offers a significant competitive advantage. Firstly, the post hoc interpretability enabled by bouquet loss is a powerful moat. By examining the predicted keywords, Developers can gain direct insight into the model's central thought for a given response, making debugging and fine-tuning far more intuitive than with opaque black box models. Secondly, bokeh loss improves generalizability over traditional BOW methods by mitigating training data bias, as it focuses on core ideas rather than all possible token variations. This leads to more robust and adaptable dialogue systems. Finally, the demonstrated effectiveness of Bokeh LM as a reference-free evaluation metric provides a cost-effective alternative to expensive human feedback or complex multi-reference evaluation setups, accelerating development cycles and improving model assessment. In conclusion, the bag of keywords loss represents a significant step forward in open domain dialogue generation. Its core strength lies in its scalability and ease of implementation. We've demonstrated its effectiveness across diverse architectures, T5 and Dialog GPT, and datasets, daily dialogue, and persona chat, proving that it can be readily incorporated into existing generative models without extensive reengineering. For professional teams, the logical next steps involve integrating bokeh loss into your current dialogue system development workflows. This could start with fine-tuning existing models using the bokeh LM objective to immediately enhance response specificity and interpretability. Looking ahead, our research opens several exciting avenues. We aim to explore more advanced keyword extraction methods beyond YAC to further refine the core idea capture. Additionally, we plan to investigate the applicability of bokeh loss to other natural language generation tasks, such as summarization or creative writing, where capturing the central theme is paramount. The potential for more meaningful, interpretable, and efficient AI driven conversations is immense.